at Cloudera. Give us a specific example that you'd like to highlight.
Well, it's unfortunate that you made me follow the Jake, but no, I think that was a really fantastic, and I love what you said there because it's applicable to so many different use cases, and it's not one where you're talking about just in a corner. It's applicable across the public sector space, specifically in the DoD. Some of the work that Cloudera is doing, we're working on predictive maintenance use cases using machine learning, which has been really fantastic for keeping airframes in the air. Right, we when you look at what was being done from a legacy perspective, you had some private on the ground doing a handwritten checklist of, did you do this? Yes, no, right. And what ended up happening is the pilot would say, no, right. And then you'd have a maintenance problem in a month and it'd be down for several weeks. Right. But now what we're actually collecting data off of the airframe as these things are happening and realizing that, hey, given all the models and things that we know about this airframe, this part is going to go bad, and then that initiates an ordering of that part, delivery of that part. So when it comes time for maintenance, you're not having a catastrophic failure involving, at worst, a safety issue or your airframe being down for several weeks. You're down for a very short maintenance of time, and your material is already there. And it's a fun use of machine learning that has actually greatly improved some of the effectiveness of our warfighters. And then also with the DoD, doing things like not just having to do the traditional machine learning in a data center, but also bringing that out to the edge in real time. So from a healthcare environment, working with military members to say, if you're in the hospital and you have a set of you have this marker and this marker and this marker, that means that you're having a heart event, and we actually need to get a doctor involved and have intervene in that process immediately. So there's some really interesting use cases that Cloudera is working on with the DoD, and like I said, Greg, I think you hit the nail on the head. This is applicable everywhere.